This is Karen from the Kine Garden Stuff. Today I have my urban worm bag with mayworms inside of it. We'll do a check. I don't think I fed it last week. Okay, there's some worms on the inside of this. Let me just try and get some off. The bigger ones anyway. Smaller ones are okay to stay moist. Moist. Okay. See if I can get this to go down a little bit more for a better view. Oh! Got some foodstuffs, food experiment here. I see some beetles. Let's see. There's worms on the outside of this container. Let's make quick work of it. It doesn't, I don't know what was in here. I'm not even going to try and guess. When I label it on the outside of the video, we'll know. Alright, there's some, it's very moist in here. Some mites on the inside cover. Let's see if we can guess what this is, but it is stinky, whatever it is. Well, at least I can say there's no worms in here yet. But whatever it is being broken down. Can't tell if that was turkey or what. Alright, let's put it back in. And the other one, see, so that one was being broken down. This one has some worms on the outside. Let's see if some worms are trying to get on the inside. Oh, look, there's one worm in the inside. Oh, there's some more on the inside. You can see it right here on the edge. Okay, that's promising. Let me grab the container. I don't want to squish any worms on the outside. They're little baby ones. Some, oh, there's a worm right there hanging on the edge. And some mites and larvae on the inside cover. Alright, lots of larvae, lots of mites. Or something. Maybe it's not mites. Maybe it's... who knows what it is. I've never seen it before. Tons of mites. Beetles. Oh, there are worms in here. So, this was a success. There's worms in here. I'm going to empty this container. Even though it's not, you know, completely eaten. I think having it in the container, or maybe it's this shape of container, is, you know, detrimental to the foodstuffs being readily available to the worms. They have to try and find it and get in the hole, but they might seem to have found it. And there are some worms in here. And like I mentioned before, ooh, lots of other stuff too. But this does not smell, so I'm just going to dump it. I do see worms, not just... see, there's a worm right there. Trying to get out of the light and away from my hands. Okay, let's take it out here. Some worms on the outside as well. Let me get those off. But yeah, this one does not smell. So it's interesting to me to see. Let's see. I wish I could tell if this was the turkey or not. I should have labeled it, but I didn't. I didn't think they would look the same after a week or so. All right. Make sure I don't have any babies or whatever I do on my gloved hand. There's some baby worms here. So let's check out the bag. Moist. And there are a lot of worms here. I don't know if you can see them. But I think they've just exploded in this bag lately. So that's pretty good. So go to this side. Avocado shells, ready to be broken down. They're breaking up so easily, so that means, you know. Let's see if any of these are ready. Not quite. Okay, this is nice. Since I left it a week, they had plenty of time to break things down, work things over. This is super moist. I don't think I'm going to put the plastic back on, although I do need to try and get those worms off of them, off of the, before I close up the bag. But let's go ahead and get whatever worms I can out of here. Put this back in. Eggshell, my normal eggshell. I'm going to put this whole bag in. See if I can it up a little bit. Okay, so there's some banana skins, napkins. I don't know what this is. Looks like a burrito or something. Somebody put a burrito in here. Oh. Alright, and some bread, avocado, tamale skins. What? Looks like somebody put a piece of pie in here or something. So we got pie. Looks like a blueberry or blackberry or some kind of pie like that. And that's about it. I'm going to put some coffee grounds in here. Not a whole lot. My worms aren't used to coffee grounds. I hardly ever have coffee grounds, so I'm going to start them small. And some moist bedding. Okay, let's cover it up somewhat. As I mentioned before, it's pretty damp in here, so I'm not going to put on any plastic on here, but I do have to get some worms off of the bubble wrap. So I'll do that off camera, and we'll check these again next week. And thank you for coming on this journey with me.